Hey, how is everybody? Lou from RV Habit. Today I'm going to be working on this center console on my GMC Canyon. It has like that piano black finish. The only problem is it shows nothing but dust and fingerprints. It's really usually unsightly. So I'm going to try and vinyl wrap it. I've never wrapped anything in my life, so the first thing we're going to do is take this out, and I think it's pretty easy. There's a wireless charger here that's got this rubber thing, and actually this is the pattern I'm trying to do to keep it matched, but I had a hard time finding this exact pattern, but I'll show you what I got when I get inside. So anyway, apparently you can just lift this up. There's clips in there. Oh yeah, that was pretty easy. Oh yeah. And then back down here, I think I have a little tool to get under there. Oh, okay, there's a clip in the center there. Now I can get my tool in there. There we go. That's pretty easy. Alright, it's like 150 degrees out here in the car, so let's take it in the workshop and see how hard this is to do. Okay, we're in the workshop, and here's what I got. I got the console cover, I have a heat gun, I have a soft cloth, I have a little squeegee with cloth on it, and I have a rag, and I'm going to wipe this down with some alcohol before we start. We'll do that first and let it dry. Want to get all the dust off it, so it sticks real well. Let that dry. So here's what I bought. I bought 2 rolls because I couldn't decide which one I wanted. This one is black camo, and it's called black metallic camo, and it's a little too shiny, I think, for what I'm going for. This one was just black camo, and I think they're both made by Vivid. Got them both on Amazon. They were, I think, about $12 a roll, and it's a 1 foot by 5 foot roll, so there's plenty here if I make a mistake. Again, I've never wrapped anything, but I think I'm going to go with this black. It's shiny, but it's not metallic, so I think I'm going to go with this. So the first thing I'll do, let me get some razor blades and we'll cut a piece of this off. Okay, so we need I'll cut this a little bit bigger. It's about there. Okay, so like I said, I've never done this before, but I'm told patience, take your time, and heat from a heat gun. And just keep working it until you get it all in the grooves where you want it before you can cut it. And that's what we're going to do. So once I have the dust off here, which looks about right, I'm going to peel this and we'll stick it on. Blade there. There we go. So I've been working this for about 15 minutes. I wrapped it around the back. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that or trim it close, but I think I'm going to leave it wrapped for now. I can always trim it if I go to put it in and it doesn't look right. Now, I think I've got it in all the grooves laid down, and you really do have to just keep working it. And I'm going to start trimming this. What do you think? I think that looks pretty good. See what it looks like in the car, but not bad for my first time ever doing it. It does take a lot of patience. You get wrinkles, and I probably could not do this for a living. Looks good though. I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, let's take it in the car, see what it looks like. Okay, so let's see if we can get this on here now. Let's put the bottom in first. Okay, it's all snapped in. Let's get our wireless charger back in here. Put it in position. And there we go. Actually, that looks pretty good. Very nice. I think it's a keeper. Now this was the just a regular black medium camo that I got. I also got that metallic. That was a little too blingy for me. But I'll leave links to both of these vinyl wraps, this one and the metallic one, down in the description if you're interested. It was only $12 a roll. I'd give it a try. And it takes that piano black fingerprint attracting glare out of there, and this blends in really good. I'm happy with it. Okay, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.